Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with a new topic. Now you must be remembering that in the previous lecture we have studied about opposite rays. Opposite rays means what? Two rays which have the same origin, which have the common origin, and the two rays they form a straight line. Such two rays are called as opposite rays. Now our new topic is angles in a linear pair. Now observe this diagram. In this diagram, you can see that two angles are formed in this figure. So what are the names of the angles in the figure? Angle PQR, angle PQR and angle RQS. Which are the two angles? Angle PQR and angle RQS. Now, what do you observe about these angles? Okay, these are the adjacent angles. Okay, why adjacent angles? Because these two angles have common vertex. One arm is common between two angles because QR is the arm of this angle also and QR is the arm of this angle also. Both the angles they start from the origin Q. And what else do you observe? See, what type of a pair of angles is it? So this is an adjacent pair of angles. This is an adjacent pair of angles. Then which arms of the angles are not common arms? Which are not common arms? So QP and QS. Ray QP and ray QS, they are not common. Which one is common? QR is common. QR आर्म जो है वो ये एंगल में भी है और ये एंगल में भी है. जो कॉमन नहीं है वो कौन से है? QP एंड QS. नाउ what is the measure of angle PQR? So let's measure the angle PQR. See here. PQR angle is 125 degree because PQR it starts from here. So इस साइड में जो ज़ीरो है वो बाहर है तो बाहर के नंबर लेंगे. और अगर हमें ये एंगल मेजर करना है तो ये एंगल राइट में है मतलब राइट वाला ज़ीरो लेंगे. सो दिस इज़ 50 and 5, 55 degree. So what is the addition of 125 and 55? It is 180 degree. Means these two angles are supplementary. So what we have observed about these angles? They are adjacent. Second thing, they are supplementary. And third thing is that the arms which are not common, they form a straight line. ये दो एंगल के जो आर्म्स कॉमन नहीं है वो आर्म्स क्या कर रहे हैं? एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बना रहे हैं. मतलब वो अपोजिट रेज है दोनों. QP एंड QS दे आर अपोजिट रेज एंड दे आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स एंड देयर सम इज 180 डिग्री. तो ऐसे दो एंगल्स को बोलते हैं एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर. सच टू एंगल्स आर कॉल्ड एज angles in a linear pair. What is the definition of angles in a linear pair? See here, one arm is common in both the angles and the arms which are not common, they form a straight line. Means they are opposite rays of each other. And the third thing is that they are supplementary. Means their addition is 180 degree. So such two angles are called as angles in a linear pair. So let's see the definition now. Angles which have a common arm. Angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line. Other arms means these two. Okay. They form a straight line. मतलब ये जो दो एंगल्स है वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर बने हैं. लीनियर पेयर, लाइन के ऊपर बने हुए एंगल्स. लाइक दिस यू कैन रिमेंबर. are said to be angles in a linear pair. And what is the property of such angles? Angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. लीनियर पेयर वाले एंगल्स हमेशा सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं, मीन्स देयर एडिशन इज ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. So understood, linear pair means what? They are formed on a line. Keep in mind, linear line. So angles which are formed on a straight line and whose one arm is common. मतलब सिंपल देखा जाए तो एक लाइन है, उसके ऊपर एक रे ड्रॉ की है, जिसके कारण दो एंगल बन गए हैं. ऐसे दो एंगल्स को बोलते हैं एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विथ प्रैक्टिस सेट 19. In practice set 19, the question is, draw the pairs of angles as described below. Some angles description is given below, so you have to follow that description and draw the angles according to that description. If that is not possible, say why. If you cannot draw such angles, then you have to tell the reason that why we cannot draw such angles. So the first question, complementary angles. क्या ड्रॉ करना है हमें? complementary angles. Complementary angles means what? Two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Okay, whose addition is 90 degree. So we have to draw complementary angles that are not adjacent. Means they should be complementary, but they should not be adjacent. Means they should be separate. So here I have taken an angle of 40 degree and other angle of 50 degree. This I have drawn using a protractor. So 40 and 50 is 90. Means these two are complementary. And second thing is, they should not be adjacent. So they are not adjacent. They are separate from each other. So first question answer is this. Now next one. Angles in a linear pair. क्या draw करना है हमें? Angles in a linear pair. Linear pair means what? Just now we have seen like this. So we have to draw such angles which are not supplementary. लीनियर पेयर ड्रॉ करना है, बट दे शुड नॉट बी सप्लीमेंट्री. सो इज इट पॉसिबल दैट एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर नॉट सप्लीमेंट्री? नो, लाइक दिस वी कैनॉट ड्रॉ. एंगल्स इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री बिकॉज दे आर द एंगल्स विच आर ऑन द स्ट्रेट लाइन. एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन मीन्स वॉट? स्ट्रेट एंगल. सो स्ट्रेट लाइन पे जो भी एंगल बनाएंगे उसका एडिशन 180 आना ही है. सो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ सच एन एंगल बिकॉज एंगल्स इन लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री. वो सप्लीमेंट्री नहीं है, ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता है. सो वी कैनॉट ड्रॉ दिस फिगर. थर्ड वन, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स दैट do not form a linear pair. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल बनाने हैं पर वो लीनियर पेयर नहीं चाहिए. सो दिस इज अ एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. दिस वी हैव डिवाइडेड बाय यूजिंग अ रे वेयर वन एंगल इज 55, अदर इज 35. सो दिस टू आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. पहली कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है ये. एंड सेकेंड कंडीशन इज इट शुड नॉट फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर. तो लीनियर पेयर वैसे भी नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री. तो लीनियर पेयर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि वो सप्लीमेंट्री होते हैं. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल हमने ड्रॉ कर दिए जो लीनियर पेयर नहीं है. ओके, हियर यू कैन ड्रॉ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स लाइक दिस ऑल्सो बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट सेड एनीथिंग अबाउट एडजेसेंट चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ दिया ही नहीं है. सो यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस फिगर ऑल्सो और दिस फिगर ऑल्सो, बोथ आर करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट वन, एडजेसेंट एंगल्स विच आर नॉट इन अ लीनियर पेयर. सिर्फ हमें दो एडजेसेंट एंगल बनाने हैं पर लीनियर पेयर में नहीं चाहिए. सी, दिस इज अ लीनियर पेयर. In linear pair also the angles are adjacent. These two angles are adjacent. पर हमें linear pair नहीं चाहिए. So we can take like this. These two are adjacent angles and this is not a linear pair. Or you can draw like this also. These two are also adjacent and not in linear pair. You can draw like this also. They are adjacent and not in linear pair. Now here no need of measuring. मेजरमेंट से रिलेटेड कुछ है ही नहीं क्वेश्चन में कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री चाहिए या सप्लीमेंट्री चाहिए. ओनली दे हैव सेड ड्रॉ एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. सो दीज आर एडजेसेंट एंगल्स एंड दे शुड नॉट बी लीनियर. लीनियर नहीं होने चाहिए, बाकी वो कैसे भी हो सकते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, एंगल्स विच आर नाइदर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नॉर एडजेसेंट. मीन्स दो एंगल ऐसे ड्रॉ करो जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी नहीं है और एडजेसेंट भी नहीं है. एडजेसेंट नहीं है मतलब ऐसे सेपरेट एंगल बनाने पड़ेंगे, और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी नहीं चाहिए मतलब उनका एडिशन 90 नहीं आना चाहिए. 90 छोड़ के कुछ भी आ सकता है. सो वन एंगल आई हैव टेकन 120, अदर एंगल आई हैव टेकन 50. दे आर नॉट एडजेसेंट. This condition is satisfied and they are not complementary. So that condition is also satisfied. Here you can take angle of 50 and 20 also. 50 plus 20 is 70 and you have to draw two separate angles. That will also be correct. Now the last one. Angles in a linear pair which are complementary. But just now we have seen linear pair angles are always supplementary. वो complementary नहीं हो सकते हैं. So ये angle बन ही नहीं सकता है. It is not possible because sum of measure of angles in a linear pair is always 180 and for complementary angle the sum should be 90. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री बनाना है मतलब 90 आना चाहिए उसका एडिशन. पर हमने अभी सीखा है कि लीनियर पेयर हमेशा सम 180 ही देता है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू ड्रॉ. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन विथ अ न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व दिस डायग्राम. हियर टू लाइन्स आर देयर. Two intersecting lines are there, line PT and line SR. These two lines, they intersect each other at point Q. At which point they are intersecting each other? At point Q. After the intersection at point Q, total how many angles are formed here? 4 angles are formed. See, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 angles are formed. And what we observe that QP and QT are opposite rays. QR and QS are opposite rays. So in this diagram the angle PQS and angle RQT, this angle and this angle, these two angles are called as vertically opposite angles. Opposite means what? एक दूसरे के सामने, in front of each other. तो इसके सामने कौन सा एंगल है? ये वाला. So these two angles are vertically opposite angles and these two angles, they are called as vertically opposite angles. Opposite क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो एंगल है इसकी जो आर्म है QP, ये QT के अपोजिट है और QR आर्म QS के अपोजिट है. तो दो अपोजिट रेस के कारण ये एंगल्स बने हैं, इसलिए उनको बोलते हैं अपोजिट एंगल्स, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. सो whenever two lines they intersect each other means we get an X shape. So this angle and this angle is called vertically opposite and this angle and this angle is called vertically opposite angle. Understood? And one property of vertically opposite angles is there. That property we will see. First, let's see the definition. The angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be its opposite angle. दो अपोजिट रेस के कारण जो एंगल बनते हैं उसको बोलते हैं वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. सी, दिस आर्म इज ऑफ दिस एंगल और इस एंगल की ये आर्म उसके अपोजिट है. सिमिलरली दिस आर्म बिलोंग्स टू दिस एंगल और इसकी अपोजिट आर्म ये एंगल को बिलोंग करती है. सो these two angles are vertically opposite. Similarly, this and this also vertically opposite. Now, the property of vertically opposite angle. So, the property of the vertically opposite angle is that vertically opposite angles are always congruent to each other. Means their measurement is always equal to each other. Means these two are vertically opposite, so they will be equal, and these two are vertically opposite, their measurement will also be equal. C and A will have equal measurement, D and B will have equal measurement. This is the property of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always congruent to each other. Means their measurement is equal. So, let's see the property. Vertically opposite angles formed when two lines intersect are of equal measure. Means suppose this is 60 degree. So, this will be also 60 degree. Now, tell me, if this angle is 60 degree, this much, what will be the measure of this angle? We can tell it orally. See, this angle and this angle together they form linear pair. Suppose if we hide this, then these two angles they form a linear pair, and linear pair angles are always supplementary. Means their addition should be 180. Out of 180, this is 60. So, how to find the supplement of 60? 180 minus 60. How much? 120 degree. So, if this angle is 60, this angle is 120. Now, if this is 120, this one is also 120. Why? Because they are opposite to each other, and opposite angles are of equal measure. So, if one angle is given to us, from that we can find the measure of other three angles in a vertically opposite angle diagram. Suppose such X type of diagram is given and one angle measurement is given, then we can find the measurement of remaining three angles by using two concepts. One is vertically opposite angles and other concept is linear pair angles. Now, can you tell that in this diagram how many linear pairs are there? How many linear pair of angles are there in this diagram? There are 4 linear pair. See, this is one linear pair if we hide this. Then this is second linear pair. Okay, then this is the third one like this, and this is the fourth one. So, in this diagram there are 4 linear pairs of angles and 2 vertically opposite pair of angles. Okay, now let's begin with practice set 20. First question. Lines AC and BD intersect at point P. Angle APD is 47 degree. Find the measure of angle APB angle BPC and angle CPD. Now observe here. This angle is given 47 degree APD, and we have to find the measure of remaining three angles, this and this. Now this angle is 47 degree, so BPC means this angle will also be 47 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. जब दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करती है एक दूसरे को तब चार एंगल बनते हैं, और वो चार में से इन दोनों को अपोजिट बोलते हैं और इन दोनों को अपोजिट बोलते हैं, और अपोजिट एंगल्स एक दूसरे से इक्वल होते हैं. तो ये 47 है, इसलिए ये भी 47 है. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट दिस टू? इन दोनों में से एक भी अगर हमें मालूम पड़ गया तो दूसरा एंगल भी उतना ही होगा, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो वर्टिकली अपोजिट. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड दिस एंगल? सी, दिस एंड दिस दे फॉर्म अ लीनियर पेयर. एक लाइन के ऊपर बने हुए दो एंगल है, ये एडजेसेंट भी है, एक आर्म कॉमन भी है दोनों में, और बची हुई आर्म से स्ट्रेट लाइन बन रही है. मीन्स these two angles are linear pair. Linear pair angles are supplementary. Means addition of these two should be 180. तो 180 में से एक 47 है. So if we less 47 from 180, whatever is the answer, that will be the measure of this angle. And whatever is the measure of this angle, same will be the measure of its opposite angle. So how we will write this? Measure angle APD. APD. How much it is given? 47 degree. Therefore, measure angle BPC. This is also 47 degree. This is 47, that's why this also 47. What is the reason? We will write in a bracket. The reason is vertically opposite angles. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So out of the three, BPC we have found out. Now the next one. Measure angle APD plus measure angle APB. APD plus APB. Their addition will be 180 degree. Why? Because they are linear pair of angles. They are linear pair of angles, and linear pair of angles are always 180 degree. See these two, APD and APB. Now from these two, one is 47 degree. Therefore 47 plus measure angle APB equal to 180 degree. Now 47 we will shift on the right side. Therefore measure angle APB. 47 को राइट में शिफ्ट करेंगे तो लेफ्ट में क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ APB. और अब राइट में पहले से जो है वो लिखो और 47 को उसमें से माइनस करो. Therefore measure angle APB equal to 133 degree. 180 minus 47 is 133 degree. So this angle is 133. This is 133. So its opposite angle will also be 133. Measure angle CPD will be equal to measure angle APB. CPD किसको इक्वल होगा? APB को. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Now APB 133, therefore measure angle CPD equal to 133 degree. So we have found the measure of all the three angles, BPC, CPD and APB. In the same way we have to solve the second question. Same question is there, only here instead of 47 there is x. So same proof we have to write down. Okay, see here. PMR will be equal to SMQ. PMR equal to SMQ. Reason, vertically opposite angles. Now this is x, that's why this angle will also be x. PMR is x, that's why SMQ also x. Now how to find PMS? X plus PMS will be 180. X plus PMS will be 180. Why? Because they are angles in linear pair. These two. Now see here, these two are angles in linear pair. Straight line के ऊपर बने हुए दो angles है वो. So how to find PMS? 180 minus x. x को राइट में शिफ्ट कर दिया, प्लस का क्या हो जाएगा माइनस. तो ये एंगल कितना मिला हमें 180 माइनस x डिग्री. और जितना ये एंगल है उतना ही RMQ रहेगा. RMQ एंगल. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. RMQ इक्वल टू PMS. दे आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. पर PMS कितना आया है 180 माइनस x, इसलिए RMQ भी रहेगा 180 माइनस x डिग्री. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू सॉल्व प्रैक्टिस सेट 20 in your notebook. So complete practice set 19 and 20 in your notebook. Understood? Thank you.